Hello friends and welcome to our channel. We have a lovely expression here to simplify. At first glance, this expression looks a little bit complex to simplify, but when you look at it a second time, you will find out that it is not as complicated as you think. But before I go ahead to show you how we can simplify this expression, I would like you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet, and hit that notification button so that you don't miss out on our next upload. So let's see how we simplify this expression. We have that 2 to the power x minus 1 over 4 to the power x minus 1. Looking at this expression, you find that there's nothing we can actually do as far as the numerator is concerned. But looking at the denominator, you see that this 4 to the power x here and 2 to the power x in the numerator are related somehow. Why? Because we can rewrite this expression as 2 to the power x minus 1 divided by 2 squared, 4 is 2 squared, all to the power x minus 1. Okay, but we know from our laws of exponents that x raised to the power m raised to the power n is the same as x raised to the power m times n, which is the same as x raised to the power n times m. So we can rewrite this expression as equal to 2 to the power x minus 1 divided by 2 to the power x squared minus 1. Now, looking at the denominator of this expression, we can recognize the denominator as a difference of 2 squares, and we know that difference of 2 squares, a squared minus b squared, is the same as a minus b times a plus b. Now if we apply this to the denominator of this expression, a in this case is equal to 2 to the power x and b is equal to 1. So we can write this expression as being equal to 2 to the power x minus 1 divided by 2 to the power x minus 1 times 2 to the power x plus 1. Of course, here we are assuming that 2 to the power x minus 1 is not equal to 0. This is the same as saying that 2 to the power x is not equal to 1, or so x is not equal to 0. Okay, with that we find that we can cancel the denominator and the numerator. Here we can cancel 2 to the power x minus 1 in the denominator with 2 to the power x in the numerator. So we are left with equal to 1 over 2 to the power x plus 1. So we're saying that 2 to the power x minus 1 over 4 to the power x minus 1 simplifies to 1 over 2 to the power x plus 1. Thank you once again. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our next upload.